Hi everyone, this is Arvind from MindMajix, and today in this video we will be discussing top 10 highest paying IT jobs in India. So the whole idea, or you can say the agenda behind video, is that suppose if you're about to graduate this year or you're already working somewhere, okay, and if you're planning to switch your careers or if you're planning to upskill yourselves, then you can have a look at this video. And in this particular video, we are going to discuss the top 10 jobs which are currently very hot in the, you can say, in the IT field or the tech field. Okay, so let's suppose even if you're from the non-technical background, so if you have a look at this video, if you have a look at the top 10 jobs that we're going to discuss, if you have the skills or if you're willing to upgrade yourself, then you can easily switch to the tech domain. Okay, so this is the overall idea behind making this video. At number 10, we have the job of a digital marketer. So there are several career options available in digital marketing domain. So as per the most recent report, so 60 to 65 million new jobs in the digital marketing sector are expected to be created by the year 2025. Okay, so it is quickly evolving and developing into a promising sector with a lot more new opportunities. The top 10 most sought after jobs, according to LinkedIn, includes the title of Digital Marketing Specialist, which has roughly 86,000 job opportunities, and there is a shortfall of roughly 230,000 digital marketers. And now, if you talk about the skills for digital marketing, so here you need to have SEO, SSM, Google Analytics, execution of paid marketing campaigns, CRM, data analysis, communication skills, and so on. And now coming to the salary part. So if you talk about the entry level salary in India, so for a digital marketer, you can get salary up to 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. Whereas for experienced candidates, the average salary is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. Okay, so now let's move ahead and discuss the job which is at number 9 position. So the next job is that of a mobile application developer. So mobile application development is one of the fastest growing tech fields as mobiles continue to influence consumption, business interactions, and communication. So this in turn drives the demand for mobile applications. And the COVID-19 pandemic boosted the demand for mobile apps, for example, video conferencing apps. So security and privacy are leading requirements in the mobile app development field, while machine learning, artificial intelligence, AR, and VR trends to continue to influence it. And now if you talk about the key mobile app development skills, so here you must have good knowledge, hands-on knowledge with either one of the platform, let's say Android or iOS platform. Apart from that, you must have good knowledge of UI, UX designing, cybersecurity, C Sharp, Java or Kotlin, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, React Native, and so on. And now coming to the salary part of mobile application developer. So in India, the entry level salary for a mobile application developer is 5 to 6 lakh per annum, whereas for the experienced candidates, it can go up to 8 to 9 lakhs per annum. The next job role is that of a product manager. So the Indian industry, product design, development, and management are quickly taking lead. The product manager, which is a senior position in charge of creating strategy, marketing, defining features, and making predictions about the products. So product managers need to be diligent and knowledgeable about organizational objectives connected to product development. So in short, a product manager is responsible for delivering a product that fulfills the customer needs while keeping the overall business objective in mind. And now if you talk about the skills of product manager, so here you need to have critical thinking and analytical thinking. Apart from this, you must have problem solving skills, UX skills, tech skills, business or domain knowledge, time management skills, communication skills, and so on. And now coming to the salary part of a product manager. So the entry level salary for a product manager can be 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. But for the experienced candidates, it can go as high as 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. The next job role is that of a IoT developer. So increasing development and usage of internet-enabled devices has increased the investments in smart cities, and greater adoption of cloud services are driving the phenomenal growth of the IoT market. Apart from this, increasing existing business efficiencies, IoT is also predicted to create new revenue streams for the businesses. This in turn presents emerging opportunities for companies to gain competitive advantages. Apart from this, IoT has diverse applications across different industries. And now, if you talk about the key IoT skills, So here you need to have data management, analysis, visualization, hardware interfacing, field gateways, embedded software development, information security, UI UX design, networking, application design and development, and so on. And now coming to the salary part. So the average salary for an IoT developer is approximately 7 to 8 lakhs per annum in India. Okay. So guys, the next job in this particular list is that of a blockchain developer. So blockchain is the latest buzzword in the tech industry, and this is reshaping everything like financial transactions, internet connectivity, data security, and data analysis. So blockchain technology is being used by both public and private sectors to remove the middlemen, save the prices, and increase speed and reach. To satisfy the steadily rising need for blockchain developers in India and to oversee and manage blockchain application, so there is a shortage of experienced blockchain developers. A blockchain developer develops and implements digital blockchain for the technology companies. So basically, there are two types of blockchain developers. The first one are the core developers. These are the ones who design the protocols and maintain the existing blockchains. And then you have the software guys who focus on developing new blockchain applications. So now if you talk about the skills of a blockchain developer, so here you need to have skills such as cybersecurity, cryptography, programming, data structures, smart contracts, system architectures, computer networks, and so on. And now coming to the salary part. So the average salary for a blockchain developer in India is approximately 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. But for the experienced candidates, this salary can go high up to 10 to 11 lakhs per annum as well. The next job in this particular list is that of a full stack developer. So full stack development is one of the top paying careers in India, and the demand for such developers is at an all-time high in the job market. So candidates who are experts at building both the front end and the back end of the software or websites are known as full stack developers. Since they create a website from scratch, so this job is among the most paid one in India. So now if you talk about the skills for a full stack developer, so here you must have foundation or a good hands-on knowledge with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And after this, you must have good knowledge of frameworks such as Angular or React. Then you must also have good hands-on knowledge with Node, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB as well. So if you talk about full stack developer, so here you can have either a MERN stack or a mean stack developer. So MERN stack stands for Mongo, Express, React, and Node, whereas mean stack stands for Mongo, Express, Angular, and Node. Now, if you talk about the salary part for a full stack developer, so in India, if you're a very skilled full stack developer, so you can get the average salary of at least 9 to 10 lakhs per annum. The next job in this particular list is that of a cloud developer. So the benefit of reduced costs and increased operational efficiencies have led to an increasing number of companies, including government organizations, to adopt the cloud systems. So Fortune Business Insights report estimates that there will be a growth of at least 17.9% in the market size of cloud computing globally. So the cloud computing market is estimated to hit a value of 791.48 billion over the next 7 years. And now if you talk about the skills of a cloud developer, so here you must have good hands-on experience with either one of the cloud platforms such as AWS or Google Cloud Platform or Microsoft Azure. Apart from this, you must have programming knowledge of either Python, Ruby, Java, JavaScript, .NET, Golang, and so on. Apart from this, you must have good knowledge of SQL, Linux, orchestration, automation, and so on. And now coming to the salary part. So the average salary for a cloud developer in India is approximately 10 lakhs per annum. The next job that we are going to discuss is that of a DevOps engineer. So DevOps basically helps companies to develop high quality software and also increase the productivity for a competitive edge. And this is the reason why companies globally across industries are increasingly adopting DevOps technologies, and this makes it one of the most in-demand tech field. And now, a DevOps engineer is someone who balances the need throughout the whole software development lifecycle, from coding to deployment to maintenance and updates. Now, if you talk about the key DevOps skills, so here you must have good knowledge of programming such as Python, Ruby, Java, or Go. Then you must have good knowledge of Linux, networking, storage, cloud platforms, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Git, Jenkins, monitoring tools, databases, system administration, automation, and so on. And now, if you talk about the salary for a DevOps engineer, so the average salary for a DevOps engineer in India is 11 to 12 lakhs per annum. The next job that we're going to discuss is that of a data engineer. So, data engineer is responsible for creating, maintaining, testing, analyzing, and accessing a company's data and is considered to be one of the highest paid jobs in India. So, a data engineer is also responsible for maintaining the infrastructure, or you can say the ETL pipelines, which are required for the company. And these ETL pipelines are used for the incoming processing data and the output of the data, which can be either data visualization or data reports, or the data for the data scientist to create the machine learning models. Now, if you talk about the skills of data engineer, so here you must have good knowledge of Python, Java, Scala, Spark, SQL, Hadoop, Pig, Hive, and either one of the cloud platforms such as AWS, GCP, or Azure. Coming to the salary part of a data engineer, so data engineers are quite well paid in India. If you talk about the entry level salary, so it can be approximately 8 lakhs per annum, whereas the approximate salary for the experienced candidates can be approximately 12 to 13 lakhs per annum. Now, the topmost job in this particular list is that of a data scientist. So, data scientist is no doubt one of the highest paid jobs in India, as they are responsible for creating intelligent responses to business difficulties by automating the particular organizational procedures. Okay, so data science has witnessed a rapid demand for the talent over the last few years, with the demand exceeding the supply of qualified talent. So this trend is likely to continue and amplify in near future. So guys, data scientist is a vast term, like it can call it as an umbrella. And under this umbrella, there are various job roles such as data scientist, deep learning engineer, AI engineer, machine learning engineer. Even the data engineer comes under the umbrella of data scientist. Okay, so here you also have the job role of a data analyst. Okay, so these are the various job roles that are associated with a data scientist. Okay, and now if you talk about the skills of data scientist, so here you must have a solid background in computer science programming, mathematics, statistics, analytics. Then you must have good knowledge of Python or R programming language. Then SQL, Hadoop, Pig, Spark, Hive, machine learning algorithms, AI, NLP, deep learning algorithms, GPUs, data visualization, data mining, data modeling, data manipulation, data wrangling, and so on. Okay, so the skill set is huge. That is why the salary part is also very high in terms of growth as well. Okay, so if you talk about the salary part for a data scientist, so the entry level salary can be approximately 9 to 10 lakhs per annum, whereas the average salary can be as high as 15 to 16 lakhs per annum in India. Okay, so guys, with this, we have come to the end of the video on top 10 highest paying jobs in India. I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. If you have any doubts related to this video, so you can write your queries in the comment section and we will try to resolve your doubts as early as possible. So guys, thank you so much for being with us and I wish you all the very best for your upcoming future.